The statement of GNU has been being stated since May up until now. What irreparable harm are you going to suffer if it continues? It's up to you as the MK party to be able to prove that.
Liqembu lemkhonto wesizwe lifake emaphepha laphuthumako eJozi kuphikisana nekuthi iSABC isebenzise igama lahulumende welibumbano wavelonke.
Efforts to tackle organized crime, money laundering, and terror financing will continue in line with recommendations from the Financial Action Task Force.
Umbutfo wemaphoyisa kuleli utawuqasha emaphoyisa latinkulungwane letilishumi kulomnyaka timali wa 2024 kuya ku-2025. Kwaba kuhle kuphinze ngihlanganyele nawe mbukeli wetindzaba telwimi lwesiswati la ku SABC 1 lesetfula sise Auckland Park eJozi etindlini tekusakata te-SABC. Kanti-ke khumbula ukuthi letindzaba tiyatfolakala futhi etinkundleni tekuchumana i-X, i-Facebook, ku-SABC Plus kanye na ku-YouTube ngekuthi SABC Tindzaba. Liqembu lemkhonto wesizwe lifake emaphepha laphuthumako enkantolo lephakeme eJozi kuphikisana nekuthi iSABC isebenzise igama lahulumende welibumbano wavelonke noma Government of National Unity nayikhuluma ngalohulumende welihlandla lesikhombisa. Lokunye lekucela inkantolo iMK ukuthi kubalulwe njengaloko lokungekho emthethweni nalokungekho nje kutiphatha kweSABC. Ngikuthi ithi loku lekwentako kukhombisa kwephula umgomo wokutimela kwalenhlangano lesakatela sive.
Encwadzini lefungelwe lesembi kwenkantolo umholi we-MK Party longumengameli phambili Jacob Zuma uveta ukuthi itigidi tabantu bakuleli basebenzisa umthombo wabo wekuqala wetindzaba. Zuma uthi le ndlela lekwakheke ngayo uhulumende ngenxa yemphumela kamuva welikhetho akulungi ukubita ngahulumende welibumbano wavelonke. Wathi lokho kukulahlekisa sive. iSABC iphendule ngokuthi letinsolo te-MK tide sisekelo. Kufanele tilandzelwako kufaka sikhalo yangetanga ukuthi akusizo lesiphathekako lesinyathelo saleli qembu. iMK Party ifuna ukuthi lolu dzaba lulelelwe ngenyanga yengci. Siphendula lesinyathelo sakamva se-MK Party sikhulu setulu setindzaba netindzaba letinabile ku-SABC Mshosho Mnare uthi le nhlangano lesakatala sive itativikela kulesinyathelo. Kanti-ke umhlati wetepolitiki imphumelelo zikalala uthi ambalwa emathuba ukuthi singaphumelela lesicelo se-MK.
There are two things which are a bit of a problem. Other one, alternative remedy. For example, you have a regulatory body which regulates what people in the media are saying and doing, and that you can bring anyone that you have an agreement to them. Secondly, when it comes to irreparable harm, then the question would be, the statement of GNU has been being stated since May up until now. What irreparable harm are you going to suffer if it continues? It's up to you as the MK party to be able to prove that. If you don't succeed on that one, then your matter can simply be dismissed on the lack of urgency.
Umbuso welibumbano lwavelonke uyinhlanganisela yemacembe tepolitiki lasikhombisa langemalungu esigungu lesetulu sembuso bese kuthi labasihlanu badindvuna tembuso. Emacembu kunye yingcenye yalawo lahlikihla sivumelwano sembuso welibanjiswano. Kepha-ke kuke kwadvonsiswana kumfelandawonye we-ANC. Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ne-ANC baba mahlahlandlela ekubunjweni kwembuso welibambiswano velonke ngesikhathi i-DA iyingcinamba lenkulu ekuqhubekeleni nembili netingxoxo.
Sigungu lesetulu se-ANC sithatha tincomo emkhatsini wetinkomfa. Sathatha sinqumo sekuba nahulumende olubumbano wavelonke lokwahoya tingxoxweni emkhatsini waleli qembu i-DA ne-IFP kanye ne-Patriotic Alliance. Indlu yabayisikhulu lebeholwa inhloko yamajaji Chief Justice Raymond Zondo yaqalisa kusebenza kwembuso olubumbano wavelonke. Kepha kwathatha ukuthi kube nelikhefu lemizuzu lenge-20 lebelicelwe i-EFF ukuthi kube nesivumelwano emkhatsini we-ANC ne-DA. Emva kwaloko kwabe sekukhethwa mengameli.
To the well-being of the Republic and all its people. So help me God.
Emva kokubekwa kwamengameli ngalokusemthethweni kwaqala kubunjwa kwahulumende olubumbano lwavelonke. Ngoleso sikhathi-ke bekunkanganya ukuthi kwabalwana njani tikhundla tembuso kulabo bavumelene ngalolubanjiswano.
Following discussions over the course of the last few weeks, a total of 11 parties have elected to work together in government as well as in parliament.
Wagcina asetmemeteleke mengameli tindvuna tembuso wakhe tama kwenetisa wonke kulolubanjiswano.
We have had to consider how to form a new government in a manner that advances the national interest.
Kepha ke eGauteng lomshado emkhatsini weANC neDA amange uphumelele. Wehlula ngisho sekulethwe isihlalo weMisa. IDA ikholwe ukuthi iANC ayiyodwa ekuholeni uhulumeni olubanjiswano kepha seyifakela amanye amacembe epolitiki ude ukwenda umthela wayo ube buthakathaka.
We needed to take each other into confidence. And it wasn't a situation in which the ANC would constitute a government and invite us in on their terms.
Noma kunjalo mengameli Ramaphosa bekabukene nebumatima kulohulumende olubumbano kukhosathu neSACP.
I went to the ANC, it was back and forth, begging people to actually focus on the possible revolutionary path. It will be better to be irritated by the EFF in cabinet than to be irritated by the neoliberal forces who want to be dominant and take control of the revolution.
Umbutfo wemaphoyisa kuleli utawuqasha emaphoyisa lati ngulungwane letilishumi kulomnyaka timali wa 2024 kuya ku2025. Indvuna yete maphoyisa Senzo Mchunu ivete loku ngesikhatsi yetfula luphakelo timali lwalelitiko lomuhla. Tinhlangano letiphikisako eParliament tiluchithile luphakelo timali lwamchunu tikhala ngekuthi lelitiko lehlule kabudzala kulwisana nebugebengu. Mchunu uthi lelitiko litawuse 13 billion rand uphinze wagcizelela ukuthi bunyendi bemaphoyisa nekubonakala kwawo etitaladini kutawusita kulwisana nebugebengu.
Efforts to tackle organized crime, money laundering, and terror financing will continue in line with recommendations from the Financial Action Task Force. There is an urgent need for more strategic and consolidated response to organized crime, which imposes a real existential threat to our economy and democracy. These initiatives will be implemented through the Detective Services Program and the Crime Intelligence Program, with respective budgets of 71.3 billion and 15.1 billion over the medium term. Increasing efforts to identify and neutralize gangs and criminal groups involved in drug-related crimes is vital for restoring safety and order in affected communities. Targeting these criminal networks will disrupt the supply chains and operations that fuel violence and instability. Enhance intelligence gathering, dedicated task forces, and collaborative operations with other law enforcement agencies will strengthen the SAP's ability to combat organized crime effectively.
Ukhetfwa kwelunga le-MK yePhalamende Dr. John Hlophe kungena kukhomishana yetemtsetfo kubange kuvungatela lokunyenti kubantfu nasetinhlanganweni tepolitiki letahlukene. Hlophe wakhishwa yePhalamende emsebentini wekuba inhloko leyengamele emajaji eNtshonalanga Kapa kulandzela tinsolo tekungatiphatsi kahle. Kusichazela kabanti ke tinhlelo tePhalamende kulolidzaba sikhuluma nesati setemtsetfo naloke waba lilunga lePhalamende JB Sibanyoni. Asikubingelele Sibanyoni sikwamukele etindzabeni teSiswati.
Ngibonge kakhulu ngibulise bonke etindzabeni teSiswati.
Ithini imithetho yePhalamende ngekukhethwa kwemalunga ayo kufakwa ekomidini lahlukene?
Yabona umthetho wasePhalamende uthi bonke laba ebangenile kulendlu yokuqala yesishayamthetho banalo ilungelo lokuthi bakhethwe baye noma kuyiphi ikomiti. Kukhona amakomiti wangaphakathi ngePhalamende esithi ama-portfolio committees. Ama-portfolio committees ahlukene, kukhona i-portfolio committee yezobulungiswa, i-justice, kukhona i-portfolio committee yezemfundo, education, kanjalo njena. Ebese-ke kuba esithi i-Judicial Service Commission, EJSC. Le EJSC yokuthi uma ngabe kunezikhala kumakhotho lana ahlukahlukeneyo kuthi maphakamiswa amagama aqonde kuyo ke le EJSC ebese ke kuba ilamalunga weJSC ahlengayo abone ukuthi bobani laba amagama wabo aphakamisiwe abangalungela ukuthi babe amajaji. Bese ke mangabe bayababona bese ke badlulisela ku president upresident bese uyaba appointa abakhethe ukuthi babe amajaji baqhubekele phambili.
Angeke yini kucekele phansi umkhakha wetemthetho kufakwa kwahlophe ku-JSC?
Angeke kucekele phansi ngoba okokuqala njena inhlangano yakhe yomkhonto wesizwe iMK Party yamthumela eParliament wathi ke uma kafika endlini yokuqala yesishayamthetho wafungiswa ukuthi uzawuhlonipha umthetho sisekelo weNingizimu Afrika nayo yonke eminye imithetho yelive. Kanti ke maka khulume kanjalo kusho ukuthi uzawuhamba ngayo le ndlela afunge ngayo athembisa ngayo. Kanti ke futhi ke okunye siyathi phela ukuthi ufundile wafundela ezomthetho uke waba i-law lecturer afundisa abafundi ezomthetho e-University of Transkei. Kanti ke kunjalo nje nalezi ziqu zakhe iziqu ezingetulu ngobe unabo PhD. Kanti ke futhi wathola nezinye iziqu eCambridge University emazweni la angaphesheya. Kanti ke njengoba bekali inhloko yamajaji judge president akhethwe ngobabe uNelson Mandela ukuthi abe ujudge president wase Cape High Court. Wayenikezwe umsebenzi ukuthi enze inguquko i-transformation ye-judiciary ngobe kwakwabelungu kuphela wakwazi ukuthi afake nalaba abantu abamnyama ukuthi babe khona. Kanjalo ke nalapha ku-JSC uzabahlola laba abazayo ukuthi bafunde kangakanani nanokuthi ke bazoletha ini uma ngabe bayakhethwa baba amajaji.
Sibanyoni sibonge kakhulu isikhathi sakho.
Ngibonge lithi bengilitholile kini lonke.
ngu-JB Sibanyoni losadi setemthetho kanti ke kuqhubekela embili netindzaba mvunankulu waKwaZulu Natal Thamsanqa Nduli uvakashele itinzawo letimbili lebetihlaselwe ngomlilo ngeMpelasonto kanti ucalo lahambo lwakhe emikhukhwini yaseKenville lapho kushe khona imikhukhu lengetulu kwa200 kwasala bantfu labalinganiselwa ku400 bede imiti Nduli ubese waphetha lohambo lwakhe eBoston lapho ke kushone khona ticima mlilo letisikhombisa lebetitama kucima umlilo eplazini lo mvunankulu ubite umhlangano lokhethekile nekhabinethi yesifundza kude kutewudzingidwa ludzaba lwekusita labo labathinzekile.
We've already started to make interventions, providing temporary shelters, providing some hampers, departments of cooperative government and traditional affairs, social development, and also human settlement. They've provided some reliefs, and the other main reason we wanted to have that special cabinet, we wanted to also consider some sort of interventions, collaborations that we may need, because the extent this disaster has gone, in fact, it requires extra intervention, both from national government and also from the private sector.
Kanti ke sikubutile mbukeli ukuthi njengoba tibonakala tanza tigameko tebonakalo lobangwa ngumlilo kuze kushona abantu nemfuyo ingabe singakuqinisekisa njani kugwema tigameko letifana nalethi umbono wakho uyalandzela
abantu baqaphele ukuthi uma beqeda kubhema lokhu okuyizinqama abakulahlayo ngabe abakulahli lapho kuzodala khona ingozi.
Ngiyacabanga kungaba kuhle kakhulu ukuthi abantu bangabasa umlilo noma kukuphi especially abantu ababhemayo istompi segwayi mekhasho ukuthi leso stompi segwayi uyasicima before zosilahla.
Ngamanye amaxesha sithi ababangeli bamakutshe emadlelweni ngolahla ientshi nemicinga emachisi apha emadlelweni lonto kibangela into bamakutshe kuzokutshe nemfuyo kunye nabantu makufundiswe abantu ngobungozi balento.
Le yequbula lomlilo yolekelelwa ukuthi uhulumeni aqinise isigwebo nangabe kukhona abantu abatholakalayo abashisa lomlilo akukho okunye futhi okuyokwenzeka.
Kumele ukuthi thina sisive sase-South Africa sinakekele kakhulu imvelo yalapha kithi kumele ukuthi nangabe sibasa umlilo sichaphele.
Singaqinisekisa ikakhulu emakhaya ehlala khona emphakathini ukuthi asilayithi umlilo noma ngabe ngikuphi nangabe sibona umlilo ucubuka kwamele sendedaba tekubhula
lowo mlilo kuze kuthi ungabhebhetheki.
Mina ngibona kulula nje ukugwema umlilo uma ngabe siyaqinisekisa ukuthi ama-primer stove noma gas vala, siyaqinisekisa siyabuka futhi siverify ukuthi leyo nto icishile yini, singaveli nje sithi sibone ngathi icishile kanti akucishanga.
Cabanga ukuthi ngagwemeka ukuthi abantu bangabasi umlilo noma ngabe kuyiphi indawo.
Lona ngombono wembukeli, i-SABC ngeke first ukudiphendulela ngawo. Imindeni yabantwana labalishumi nakunye labaphangalala engodini yetekisi lebe ibamikisa esikolweni ithi lokulinza isikhathi lesidze ngesikhathi kusachubeka liphenyo kwengeta luswayi esilonzeni. Inkonzo yesikhumbuto yalabantwana lebe baneminyaka langaphansi kwale 11 ibanjwe eCarltonville eJozi lomuhla.
Malume ubantwana labane labashone engodini lethathe impilo tebantwana labalishumi nakunye ucele uhulumende wesifundza ukuthi angenelele. Nanobe lemindeni ibonge ihulumende ngelusito labanika lona, kepha bathi buhlungu bekulahlekelwa abantwana solo bukhona.
What do you say when your child has passed on? One, you cry. What do you say when there are 2 of your kids who passed on? What do you say when there are 3 or 4? Yes, you say, God give me strength. But that strength is never there sometimes.
Lusizi belibhalwe emehlweni kulabahambele inkonzo yesikhumbuto.
Kuletinye umasibuya ititolo, i-ANC esifundeni seMpumalanga yethemba ukuthi tonke tikhala tabosodolobha titawugcwaliswa kuleli viki lelitako. Wemukelekile mbukeni esigabeni sesibili setindzaba tesiswati locedza ngena ukhethe kahle kwatise tisekhona hlala nathi. I-ANC esifundeni seMpumalanga yethemba ukuthi tonke tikhala tabosodolobha titawugcwaliswa kuleli viki lelitako. Leti khala tavuleka nakufakwa abosodolobha labasihlanu etikhundleni tahulumeni kulandzela likhetfo lwavelonke kanye nelwetifundza. Lydia Morwane uthense isikhundla sekuba ngusodolobha lomusha kumasipala weBushbuckridge lomuhla ekuseni. Morwane uthembisa kunaka kwetfulwa kwetinsita kulendzawo.
iBushbuckridge indzawo lesemaphandleni kanti masipala walendzawo weswele. Tinyendike tingcinamba letibukana nalendzawo emanti ayimvela kancane. Takhamuti takulendzawo tifuna emanti laphuma empompini.
55 of the villages here in Bushbuckridge was reticulated, but there's no water that is coming out of those taps. So as the EFF, we are pleading with the new executive mayor that at least he must fast track the issue of giving water to our people. There are no roads here in Bushbuckridge. The roads are dilapidated. If you check the infrastructure here, there's potholes.
Sekwenze inyanga lo masipala ede sodolobha kulandzela ukuthi sodolobha wangaphambilini enyuselwe ku-NCOP Lydia Morane ubekwe njengasodolobha lomusha nakubanjwa umhlangano wemkhandlu.
We have planned now to change the PVC pipes that we thought when we were migrating from the asbestos into PVC, it will be better. Then we are now taking an initiative as the municipality to put the steel pipe.
Labo masipala bonke labasihlanu bangaphasi kwelicembu le-ANC lelicembu lisetawubabeka bosodolobha labane lethembisa ukuthi litatigcwalisa tikhala kumasipala iDipaliseng, Chief Albert Luthuli, eMalahleni kanye nasehlanzeni.
It will remain with Dipaliseng and Emalahleni, which will be interviewed next week on Monday. But I want to assure members of the community that there is greater stability in those municipalities.
Kwethula kwetidzingo ncandi kuyinkinga lebukene nabo masipala labanyenti kulesifundza njengoba behluleka ukucoca imali.
Nazivakashele timakethe tetimali sitfola ukuthi lirandi linyukile nalicathaniswa ave. Asesithi shavu embombela sive ukuthi Sibusiso Mahlalela usiphathele tiphi kulethamba embili kulethuma embiteni kuligwalagwala FM. Sibu
Bona lisimba lakho lishonelena kwembukele ekhaya. Khasi ukuthi ngizobe lesiphethe kuhlele liphuma embiteni namhlanje kusihlwa ngesimbi yesithuba sibantu bensimbi yesikhombisa. Simemeke bahlati bethe politics tawuba kabani nalo belizaba lisinza ke inhlangano ye-MK Party ngeke inhlangano lesakata ngamaya kuleli SABC njengoba MK Party sebhayeleke ingane leta kuleli live ifuna ke SABC ingabidi lo hulumende lokhona njenganyalo njengahulumende welubumbano. Ngetuluka lokho simemeke inhlangano ye-Action SA njengoba isike sebhayeleke liparlamente la kuleli lapho ifuna khona ke liparlamente kusike lingenelele kunalike litsaba lisinza ke naye ke imayini ilili mayini lesebhabdini kusukela isifundza seMpumalanga. Semsakatweni yelo ngesimbi yesithuba sibantu bensimbi khombisa kumsakato likwala FM akwanze lamaseko nelithemba lakho.
Sibonga kakhulu kuSibu phansi kuligwalagwala FM kanti ke mbukeli tiyagoca dalomuhla asiphindze sihlangane ngalwesine enzaweni lefanako ngesikhathi lesifanako tikhona tesindebele kusasa linza simo selitulu ngemva kwelikhefu sale kahle.
Nginibingelele ngiphinze nginamukele kunasi isimo selitulu babukela emakhaya sanibonani nasibona namhla kusihlwa sibona ngathi yena lihlobile lapha eNtshonalanga Kapa kanti ke kubuya ngala eMpumalanga Kapa bonakala amathuba emvula ngagcina sayifike khona ku 30% umoya ogijima ifike khona ku 20 km ngeli hour khama khona eningizimu yeli babukela emakhaya kanti sasibukela ngisasa siyabona ukuthi kunemafu letinye indzawo lapha eNtshonalanga Kapa babukela emakhaya kanti sebebethayo umlilo bonakala ko enhlanele live nyakatho babukela emakhaya sicaphela ukuthi indzawo sinzayisebenzisa ngayo umlilo ukuze singadali dingodi babukela emakhaya kanti ke babukela emakhaya sibakufuthumala kwelive la eGauteng eJohannesburg ucela khona lapha ku4 inyuko khona ku22 Carltonville hleli khona ku23 ku26 kanti -1 lapha eVernagel emakhaya kanti ke sinyuko khona lapha esifundzeni salapha eLimpopo musina uhleti khona ku26 phela kwanti la kufaka inyuko ku20 ngoba hleli ku23 babukela emakhaya sihlala endansi lapha esifundzeni salapha eMpumalanga enzaweni lapha esikhokhoza hleti khona ku29 bobela ucela ku8 anyuko ku26 Caroline hleli ku23 kanti eMelo ucela ku3 inyuko khona ku21 lapha vakashini lapha eThekwini hleti khona ku24 iJaspers hleti khona ku26 eLundi ucela ku8 inyuko ku28 kanti eCrockstad -0 ekseni kuyabanza babukela emakhaya kanti ke singena lapha eMthatha ucela khona ku3 inyuko khona ku23 kanye neKumani kanti Ncuba ucela ku2 inyuko ku22 lo mohleti khona ku17 emva kwamadina kanti ke lapha eNtshonalanga Kapa eCape Town ihleti khona lapha ku14 Clan William hleti lapha ku18 Beckford West ku7 anyuko khona lapha ku19 esifundeni sefle esikhulu nadotonke babukela emakhaya enza lapha eAppleton hleti khona lapha ku26 Calville ucela ku4 anyuko ku15 kanti eDR hleti khona ku20 lapha eFree State babukela emakhaya enza lapha eCrockstad hleti khona ku22 Bothaville hleti ku25 kanti -3 lapha eFresh Smith babukela emakhaya kuyabanza ekseni kanti eBloemfontein khona -1 babukela emakhaya lapha eNorth West babukela emakhaya Freiburg hleti khona ku26 Tosca cela ku3 anyuko ku21 lapha eTown lihleti khona ku27 lokho lingiphathele kona nisaleni kahle.